All right, guys, remineralizing your body is of mission critical importance, okay? Remineralizing and hydrating your body, hydrating your cells. So I'm gonna teach a morning drink that I have probably 25 mornings out of the month, and it alters depending on what I have in the house. It's not fixed. There's no rigidity in this detox game. You're able to mix and match a lot of different things to your own liking. And so what I usually use is anywhere between 24 and 30 ounces of water, and I use a glass jar. This is distilled water. It's also structured. I taught you how to do that in a different video where we distilled the water, then we restructured it. So you have pure H2O here, very, very low TDS. You could also do this with spring water if you want, but this is my favorite way to do it. So you have a pure canvas to work with, okay? And I'm actually gonna be making this for my wife, and she rarely drinks this much water in one sitting. So we're gonna use even less this time. But for you, and if it's first thing in the morning, I suggest 24 to 32. So the first thing we do is use this bread knife, which is ironically my favorite, to cut lemons and limes. And we're gonna do half of a lemon, half of a lime. Really straightforward. I'm sure you've seen this before. Nothing that magical. But nonetheless, very alkalizing for the body, okay? And it brings life force to this somewhat dead distilled water. Now, I usually add a couple of different salts or salty type material, whether this is desert salt, pink Himalayan salt. Sometimes I'll throw some quinton in there, which you can learn about. The deep sea minerals called quinton, which represent the blood plasma. So you have hypertonic and you have isotonic. And the hypertonic actually is about 3x the concentration of it that is in our blood. And then the isotonic is about equal with our blood. So they do different things. I don't have it on hand, but that's something I would usually throw in. My wife absolutely loves it. So for now, we'll put in just a little bit of desert salt. In general, you really don't want much more than like 1 teaspoon of salt for an entire 32-ounce glass of water. So I put some desert salt, I'll put some pink salt in there. And again, I'm just using pinches, it's really, the dose is not that important. I also use electrolytes. So I like to mix a bunch of different salts. This is a lemon lime electrolyte powder. This is from Electromag from True Grace. It's a pretty good one. I also really like Transparent Labs, okay? Now, onto the fun stuff, okay? So my wife loves greens. Any breastfeeding woman, anyone in general, you should be housing greens, okay? You gotta be crushing greens on a regular basis. This is Symbiotica Super Greens, liposomal, so it's gonna cross the blood-brain barrier. This is one of my favorite things to put in liquids. I also really like spirulina, chlorella. You can put both in. You can also even put marine phytoplankton in. This is our favorite marine phytoplankton. We use it religiously in this house and with my clients. Very expensive, but really amazing stuff. At the moment, I don't have it on hand, but we'll just throw some spirulina in here, okay? So what you got here so far, by the way, you have remineralization, you have alkalizing effect, you have hydrating effect, you have that the water is structured itself, so it's going to go deeper into the cell, okay, and you have detoxifying and remineralizing at the same time. So in this super green formula, you have the chlorella, the spirulina, the barley grass, all the things that are going to pull out heavy metals in a very subtle way, and you have more spirulina here, which is amino acids, okay, you have the salts, you have, again, the water. We're going to add in some silica into the mix. This is living silica. This is like a living, breathing thing here in this bottle. Not breathing, but it's living. Usually add about 1 or 2 teaspoons of that when I drink my water. This is going to help a lot of things. Okay, this helps with your hair, your skin, your nails, your eyes. This helps with your fascial health. Okay, your fascial flexibility. This is an essential mineral that we are missing from our diet, and it's missing from the soils. All the aluminum in the atmosphere is preventing absorption of silica. So even if you get it in some foods in nominal amounts, you're not getting enough into your tissues and into the cell. This will help you with heavy metal detox, but it'll also help you stay hydrated. It'll help your brain in massive ways. It's really hard to overdo this. I drink this as often as I can. Sometimes I even just take a shot of it straight like this. Now, it doesn't taste that great, but it's not bad either. That's some great stuff, okay? Another thing, sometimes, depending if I feel a little bit acidic, I could put in a little bit of tri-salts, okay? So here you have the calcium, the magnesium, and the potassium, the bicarbonates. You can also just use sodium bicarbonate. This I find to be a little better. And you can just put a tiny little bit in. This is gonna help with alkalizing effect. Okay, really nice there. Not mandatory, but it's nice. Another little thing here that I throwing in for my wife is something called Post Pill Ease. Really cool company, Aegis, just found out about them. My wife has never been on the pill, the birth control pill. However, what's happening in our common culture and our environment is really something similar. Women are becoming estrogen dominant, and so women have to detox excess estrogens, and they have to balance their hormones with adaptogens. And you have all the adaptogens in here anyway. So even if you haven't really been on the pill, this is just a general good formula, in my opinion, for females. We also really love Fem Balance, which is something we sell on our site, which is phenomenal. In general, maca and pine pollen and female balance and liposomal DIM are so important if you are a female on this journey, okay? Because you got to get rid of the excess estrogens and the estrogen mimicking substances. So this has a nice flavor to it as well. Sometimes I drink this as well. It's really no big deal. There's only one herb in here that men are not supposed to have, and it's chaste tree berry, but not going to kill me. My testosterone is super high. Chaste tree berry lowers your testosterone a little bit, but I'm fine with that. It's not significant enough, right? So we're going to mix this bad boy up. And there you have it. Rehydration. You could do this with coconut water, but it's a lot of sugar. My wife loves it with coconut water. I don't really consume that much sugar, but you can drink this every morning. This is going to get you off to an amazing start for the day. This is 10 times better than the standard things that people are having first thing in the morning. A coffee or some sort of smoothie or superfood smoothie. This is going to set you up straight. Okay, this is going to remineralize, electrolyze, and alkalize your body. So cheers to good health. I will see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let's keep this thing going. Peace.